Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into the world of expense sharing apps and exploring why these tools are essential for modern budgeting. First, let's take a look at Splid. This app offers unique functionalities that streamline the expense tracking process for individuals and groups alike. Next up is Splitwise, a popular choice known for its user-friendly design and robust expense management tools. Let's analyze the user interface of both apps, focusing on design and user experience. Now, we'll compare the cost management features available in Splid and Splitwise that help you keep track of your expenses effectively. Both apps have capabilities for managing groups. Let's see how these features stand up to each other. Payment integration is critical. We'll look at how each app handles payment processing and various integrations. User feedback is invaluable. Let's summarize reviews and experiences from users of both Splid and Splitwise. Now, we'll quickly compare the pros and cons of each app to help you make an informed decision. So, which app is better suited for you in 2025? Let's wrap up with our final insights based on all we've discussed.